Hello and welcome to Chapter 5, Lesson 3. Today we're going to be relating division and subtraction. So you can also divide using repeated subtraction. If we subtract equal groups of 3 repeatedly until you get to 0. So this picture here shows 15 divided by 3. So if I started with 15 and I go back, subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3, right? There's the 3. That's why I'm subtracting 3. Subtract 3 till I get to 0. Then I have subtracted 5 groups of 3. So that's why we get our 5 here, because we have 5 times that I had to subtract. So let's try this out. So let's look at example 1. A designer makes 15 dresses in equal numbers of red, blue, and yellow. How many dresses of each color are there? Write a division sentence with a symbol for the unknown, then solve. So if I have 15 dresses, and I'm going to divide them into 3 equal groups of red, blue, and yellow, how many of each dress did I do? So let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so how many of each dress did I make? I made 5. So if we look down here, there are 15 dresses. The unknown is, there are 5 dresses. Let's read the whole thing, Mrs. Hamer. There are 5 dresses of each color, so the unknown is 5. So 15 divided by 3 colors is 5 of each color. Now let's say, what if we used a number line? You can also divide using repeated subtraction. Oh, this is the example I used on the other page there. So if I start at 15, subtract 3, 12, subtract 3, 9, subtract 3, 6, subtract 3, 3, subtract 3, 0. So once I get to 0, I count how many jumps did I make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you subtracted groups of 3 and you did it 5 times. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, let's look at another. So one way is to use number line. If I did 10 divided by 2, means I'm subtracting 2 starting at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to do it 5 times. How many times did you subtract? We did 5 times, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. Another way, which is kind of neat, is using this repeated subtraction. So we do 10 minus 2 is 8. Bring it up to the top. 8 minus 2 is 6. Bring 6 up to the top. 6 minus 2 is 4. Bring 4 up to the top. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring 2 up to the top. 2 minus 2 is 0. So if we subtract groups of 2 until you reach 0, which we did right here, how many times do we subtract 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Look at that. We got the same answer. So both of these are strategies that you can use. Here's our guided practice. It says it's algebra. Write a division sentence with the symbol for the unknown, then solve. So here it says there are 16 flowers. Each vase has 4 flowers. How many vases are there? Okay, so I have 16 total, and I've noticed in a division sentence, just like subtraction, the first number is always the greatest number. So if I have 16 flowers, I'm dividing it among 4 flowers in each vase. How many vases? Okay, let's do our repeated subtraction. 16 minus 4 is 12. Bring 12 up. 12 minus 4 is 8. Bring 8 up. 8 minus 4 is 4. Bring 4 up. 4 minus 4 is 0. So how many times did I subtract 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that means there are 4 vases. Next one says, there are 14 ears. Each dog has 2 ears. How many dogs are there? Okay, so our problem is 14 divided by 2, 2 ears per dog. And then we want to know how many dogs are there. So if I start at 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2. Whoa, where did that come from? Where did that southern accent come from? 2 minus 2 is 0. How many times did I subtract 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, this must still be the same page, huh? Use repeated subtraction to divide. So if I start at 12, go down to 9, 6, 3, 0. I subtracted 3 4 times, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. So if now I'm going to do 8 divided by 2. So I'd start at 8, take away 2 each time. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, this is our homework, page 261. You can pause the video while you turn. Use repeated subtraction to divide. So I'm going to start at 14 and take away 2 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I took away 7 2's. So therefore 14 divided by 2 is 7. Here we go. 12 divided by 6. I'm going to start at 12. Take away 6 each time. 12 minus 6 is 1, 2. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. In case you didn't know. And then 6 minus 6, we know that one's 0. So I took away 6 2 times only. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, here we go. 28 divided by 7. So I'm going to see how many 7s I need to subtract. 28 minus 7 is 21. Bring it up. 21 minus 7 is 14. Bring it up. 14 minus 7 is 7. Bring it up. 7 minus 7 is 0. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it 4 times. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay, here 30 divided by 10. So I'm going to subtract 10. Is 20. Bring it up. What's going on here? Why is there 2 of them? Oh, 20 minus 10. That's why, because I got to fill it in. Is 10. Bring it up. 10 minus 10 is 0. So how many 10s did I subtract? 1, 2, 3. I subtracted 3 10s. So 30 divided by 10 is 3. All right, I want to do a quick vocabulary check here. Page 262. Skip count backwards on a blank to divide. So if I'm skip counting backwards on a repeated subtraction? No, that doesn't sound right. Skip count backwards on a number line? Oh, we have been practicing number lines, haven't we? Let's write that in. Number space line. This one always confuses me. Is it one word? Is it 2 words? 2 words. Number line. Okay, so therefore we can use blank to subtract equal groups repeatedly until you reach 0. We can use repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction, to subtract repeatedly. Look at that. Subtract repeatedly, repeated subtraction. Makes sense, doesn't it? All right, let's give this independent practice a try. You let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.